Very good morning to my dear ones. This is Dr. Ravi Shankar Pandey, doctorate from Banaras University and recently returned from United States of America. I developed a medicine for treatment of heart attack and given a treatment for spinal muscular atrophy in United States of America. Recently returned back from US and working as a pool scientist. Today I have a very wonderful person named Master Baburam Yadav. Basically he has been in Indian Army as commando and he has a great ability to remove the pain from body by his special kind of yoga trick and treatment. So I would like to introduce one of the very incarnated person, I think world class Dr. Baburam Yadav ji. So please have some photographs of Baburam Yadav ji. You see, this is the picture of Sri Lanka as a commando. He was serving Indian government. Then there are few photographs. Now see one by one, and he has the great ability to serve, and he got the kind of inspiration from the very great patriotic people like Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh and like others. So he is a real devotee of Indian origin and he has ability to treat a lot of disease. The thing is, Baburam Yadav ji, he do not know English too much, but for introduction I would like to simply ask Baburam Yadav ji who can introduce. So Baburam Yadav ji, please tell me about your name.
I am Baburam Yadav. I like in Indian Army Para Commando and NSC Commando. Now I am serving in TIT, patient of like cervical, backache, sciatica, arthritis.
Right. Yeah. So no problem. Now the thing is, please take in your consideration like he belongs to a very rural place and unfortunately he don't get the admission at least to the graduation, but he has the kind of ability by special yoga and he has treated more than 5,000 of patients throughout India in army, regular patient, poor people, and now please come. He has ability and he has some paper cutting over here. You may look at one by one. This is in Hindi.
Hello.
I am just going to provide one by one about his contribution about for the society people. So look at. Okay. Focus. Like here in Hindi I can speak if you people could understand, but this is for treatment of pain. Like in Hindi अब योग से स्ट्रेस दूर करने की करेगी पुलिस. And you see without the injection, medicine or operation, there is cure of pain by Baburam Yadav ji. Now how much he has enthusiasm to for the service, like सेवा का जज्बा है कमांडो बाबूराम में. And you see I am speaking little bit Hindi because all of his discovery came into the market in a paper. So look at the next one is even what is the tips for a healthy kids. He has given the tips to the small kids during his previous time, and now you look at in modern age Baburam Yadav ji, he will give the freedom from doctors who is going to treat all those painful diseases, and now that is the natural process. He is treating the patient of pain by natural process, like प्राकृतिक पद्धति से लोगों का इलाज कर रहे हैं कमांडो बाबूराम. So please excuse me, the thing is his all the paper cutting is in Hindi, and my concern is just to aware all of this with you. Even during the journey he has given the kind of training to police officers, and even he want to explore whatever he has ability to the world, because you see he want to have all the treatment in a crowd. So overall tell to this world, like Baburam Yadav ji, being as a commando, he is a very sincere person and he has ability to treat all the body pains. And I would like to show you finally the poster. Please come and scan over this poster. Baburam Yadav ji, with kind blessing of Goddess Durga. He got the kind of ability of modern yoga, where he don't require any injection, medicine, any diagnosis or physiotherapy, no operation, and he has the kind of ability to remove the headache and cervical, knee pains, and arthritis, so many things. You people can look at over here. The thing is not only India government, whole world. I would like to request whole world to have a complete security of kind of person like Baburam Yadav ji, and billions and billions of dollars could be saved for human welfare, and his contribution is free of cost. He required just a real love, not a money, and people can contact him on Facebook like Baburam Yadav 142@gmail.com. His contact number is 9415-92139. Even people can contact me for any assistance at dr.rsponde@yahoo.com. My contact number is 8726521684. Thank you very much. Good luck. Without pain, that is my mission and vision, with help of a great, please, world class doctor of yoga, Sri Baburam Yadav ji. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.